Leek Parish Church bells.
So don't go any further, Master.
Oh no! I'm going to take some photographs as well. We've got some photographs to take.
Yeah.
That's not too bad. That's what Derby Cathedral looks like. But there's a door here, so you can watch the hams whapping the bells. So these are the bells at Leek. So we could put one there. That's nice, isn't it? Are you alright with me taking a photograph as well? So I've got a camera in there.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Going to come up with this and have a look.
Thank you.
If you come up a couple
Wow.
of steps, you'll be able to see over the top. Turn the bells in the middle.
Yeah. Like yours, isn't it? It'll be like yours, that. Yep. You could have some more bells in here actually. You could have the set of 35 here. Right.
Yeah, we've got our 27.
Same as yours ish.
There's
Oh God, I love it.
18, yeah.
Just a bit, 1 ton less than yours.
Yeah, at the 100 weight.
Yep, that's the one. You've got it. Is this 1800 weight then?
Maybe it's just a...
No, it's the tower, it's massive. You could put some more bells in here so you can play tunes at like even song times and that.
1966, they lowered the bells. And they put them into being.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. I can see.
So it's got a cowl on it, plays all them tunes, but I couldn't get the others in because
I never saw them.
I don't know when they play them.
They might be worse than 66. And there we go.
So you've been weekend.
Not all my life, no. When I was around, I was born in Coldwood near to Iron Bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Then we moved to Bayston, and then we moved to Newcastle United.
Oh,
Have I got one at 3 o'clock, a song?
No.
no.
When does it come on
It
again?
doesn't come on till 4 and we're gone now.
While we're going to have something in church to eat.
Yes, we could do, I think.
Yeah.
I just have to watch my car.
Yes.
I just love these churches, I love them.
I think we're probably there.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Yeah, I think probably it's time now to leave it.